Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to upload your completed video from your computer to your YouTube channel. Now you just got to remember where you saved it on your computer. That's the main thing. But the first thing you want to do is go to your channel, and then you're going to click on this little plus button that says create, and we're going to go upload video. Okay, so you gotta find the file where you saved it. So on your Chromebooks, I'm not sure where you might have saved it. It might be in your recents, it might be in your files. You will have to figure that out where you saved it in there. So if you select, I saved mine on my desktop videos, and I just made this tutorial that I'm gonna upload for my digital pictures class. So it's going to take a little while to upload. So while it's uploading, you can put a little description about what the video is. So this is a basic text tutorial, or whatever your video is going to be about. Oops, make sure you spell things correctly. You can add the thumbnail, which I'm going to do later. If you have verified your channel, you can customize these. So I like to do these, but I think I will add that in after. So it's still processing. Is this made for kids? Yes or no? Well, not specifically. It's not. It's made for students, but it's not for like little kids. So I'm just going to say no. Whenever you put something that's made for kids, it's like if it's actually made for kids, like a storybook or something specifically for the little kids. Otherwise, there's no age restriction. Oh, it's saying upload is complete. Processing will begin shortly. So it's going to do that. So you got to give it a little bit of time to do all of these things. You can check out more options if you want. Tags, they don't really do very much for finding viewers. You can put subtitles on if you want. You can put the recording date and location if you want. You can say whatever category it is. Well, this is education, but there's lots of other ones that you can put into for people to find. You can say how you want your comments displayed. All right, so there it is. Eventually the thumbnail will come up that you can pick. So I'm just gonna go next. It's still processing. You can add an end screen if you want. So maybe I'll do that. So let's do that. One video and one subscribe, so it goes to your picture, and then you can pick, I think you can pick which video you want to do, but allow YouTube to do it. So you can just tell them what to do, and you can just go save. You can play around with this later if you really want to. Okay, I'm going to go next. Okay, so this is the main thing that you want is your visibility. So if you want to go public and you want everybody to see this, then all you gotta do is press public. If you want it just for our class, you can press unlisted, and then all you would have to do is copy the link and paste the link into Google Classroom to hand it in. So I'll show you what this looks like when it's unlisted. I'm going to put this to public eventually, but I'm just going to show you what this looks like. Did you check the following? Do kids appear in this video? No. Is there content? Nah, we're good. This one's fine. So we're going to go save. Okay. Oh, video is published. And it gives you the link here. So I can just copy this link and I can paste it anywhere. I'm just going to go close real quick. And then it should go to the top. So you can see here's all mine that are on my channel. All of them are public. There's one private one that I just had because I didn't want it out there. It was just messing around with Wii Video about a couple years ago. But the rest are public, and this one's unlisted. So if you want yours unlisted, that's fine. You can always change any of these afterwards too, which is kind of nice. You can just click on them and put it to public if you want. So I'm gonna put it unlisted for now, and then when I upload my thumbnail, because I want something nice, thumbnails to go with this, I'm gonna change that after. So I'm just gonna save that real quick. And then if you want, you can go back to your channel. So if it's unlisted, it's not going to, I don't think it shows up in your actual playlists here. So I think you have to go to your videos. Let's see. Oh, that's where it is. So if you want it, you'll have to go and find it after. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.